In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font on Microsoft Forms. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the style controls and how to switch your Forms font so it looks clean, readable, and on brand. Start by opening Microsoft Forms in your web browser. Once you're on the design page, pick the form or quiz you want to work on. It might be something like an animal quiz or any survey or questionnaire you've already created. Opening the form brings you into the editor where you can adjust questions, settings, and, most importantly for today, the look and feel. At the top of the screen, look for the Style option in the toolbar. This is your hub for visual customization. It can sometimes be easy to miss if you're focused on the questions, so take a moment to scan the upper area until you see Style. This is where Microsoft Forms groups themes, colors, backgrounds, and font controls in one place. Click Style to open the styling panel. You'll see a selection of presets designed to quickly change the overall appearance of your form. These presets are more than just color swaps. Many include coordinated backgrounds, accent colors, and a specific font pairing, so choosing one preset can instantly give your form a cohesive look. From here, choose a style layout you like. As you browse, watch how the preview updates to reflect the theme's typography and spacing. If your form needs to look professional, aim for simpler, high-contrast designs. If it's something fun or classroom-related, a more playful theme may be perfect. Within the Style panel, you can change the font. Look for the font options to adjust the typeface used for your form's text. Some themes offer dedicated font selectors, while others switch fonts when you choose a preset. Pick a font that matches your purpose. Clean sans serif fonts often improve readability for longer questions, while distinctive fonts can add personality to titles. Once you've found a look you love, select your desired style and let Forms apply it across your entire form. The change will affect headings, questions, and descriptions consistently, and it typically saves automatically. Keep accessibility in mind. Ensure there's enough contrast between text and background, and avoid overly decorative fonts that make long questions hard to read. If your audience spans different devices, remember that fonts can appear slightly differently on phones versus desktops, so opt for a legible, well-spaced option. That's it. Your font is updated, your style is set, and your form is ready to share with a polished, consistent design.